by the train as I cross the line. All that you've ever wanted is hidden in your smile, sitting there waiting for someone like me to find. Got it all wrong, that's not what I meant. Every time I'm with you I have to pretend. The night feels long if you don't present your pretty little self to me in the end. Quite the view, aggravating every sense that you occupy. Can't leave it alone, because you're so visually pleasing to both my eyes. All that I've ever wanted is hidden in your smile, but I don't see it that often. I've not seen it in a while. The stories are wrong, it doesn't make sense. When I'm with you I never